Okay, I will show you this and this. You don't need to touch none of this stuff. I'll just keep rotating, and here you can see on this side these ears right here. Now all you got to do to start on the bottom, this bottom one here, and put your hand on there like that and just pull it open like that. Then you got one more to deal with, and you do the same thing. Just pull it open like that. It snaps into these ears right here. This ear right here and right here. See that? And it locks in place. That's got a pretty strong spring set up inside there. You don't need to take no wrenches to nothing. You just pull them apart. It'll snap in when it gets to the right spot. You just pull it open. And if you ever want to close them up, just go like that. Close it up. Open it. Start at the top two. And move down to the next one. And there you have it.